Good afternoon, Standard 10. Today I would like to begin lesson number 4 of history. It is climate. Now we will go on geographical explanations of Brazil. We have already studied Brazil and India. In fact, we have made comparison between the physiography of India and Brazil. In this topic, we have to learn about the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil. See, Brazil experiences wide range of climatic variations in climate. It means there are vast differences in climate. For example, near equator it is hot. Near equator it is hot. While there is temperate type of climate near Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, temperate. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. Rainfall southeast trade winds, southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Northeast trade winds. Now we will go to the parts of the Brazilian highlands. The Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. Means the area of the Brazilian highlands is up to the northern coast. The escarpments act as an obstruction to the winds coming from the sea. Winds are coming from the sea and these winds are obstructed by the escarpments. The winds coming from the sea are stopped by the escarpments and they cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. The coastal region receives orographic type of rainfall. Orographic coastal regions. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds gets reduced. Ahead of the highlands, the effect of these winds is minimized. As a result, the rainfall is minimal in the region beyond the highlands. This region is called drought quadrilateral region. Drought quadrilateral region. Drought quadrilateral region receives minimal rainfall. Now, considering the temperatures in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot, while the temperatures in the southern part are comparatively lower. Temperatures in the southern part of Brazil are comparatively lower. The northern part of Brazil is hot. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. Near the equator of Brazilian coast, temperature does not vary much. Near the equator, there is not found much difference in temperature. Now, in the coastal regions, near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperatures are negligible. It means temperature is not severe. The winds move in the vertical directions in this region. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade winds is weak here, so cyclones are not formed. Why cyclones are not formed? It is because convergence zone of trade winds is weak. If had it not been weak, cyclones could have been formed. Cyclones form when the convergence zones of the winds is strong. When the convergence zone of trade winds is strong, cyclones take place, cyclones are formed. But here, since the convergence of trade winds is very weak, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coastal of Brazil. Why? Tropical cyclones rarely visit to the coasts of Brazil because the convergence of trade winds is weak. Most of the part of Brazil lies in the tropical zone. Most of the part of Brazil lies in the tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The temperature is more in this region. Temperature is more in the northern part of the country. More temperature in the northern part. More temperature in the northern part. The average temperature in the Amazon Valley is 25 degree, in between 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. It is the average temperature. The climate is cooler in the highlands because of the proximity to the sea. The coasts experience mild and humid climate. There is mild and humid climate in the coasts because this region is closer to the sea. The Amazon Valley receives around 2000 millimeters of rainfall. Rainfall, Amazon Valley, 2000 millimeters. While the northeastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 millimeters of rainfall. Thousand to 1200 mm. This was the explanation about the climate of Brazil. Brazil equator is hot. Tropic of Capricorn, it is temperate. Rainfall southeast and northwest regions receive trade winds. Rainfall is orographic because of coastal regions. That is why it is known as drought quadrilateral region because of minimal rainfall. Tropical zone has more temperature. It is in the northern part. Rainfall in the Amazon Valley is 2000 millimeters, whereas in the northeastern coast it is in between 1000 to 1200 millimeters. Now, India's climate is monsoon type. India's climate is monsoon type. The sun rays are perpendicular up to the Tropic of Cancer. The sun rays are perpendicular up to the Tropic of Cancer, and this sun rays pass through the middle of the country. As a result, average temperatures are higher throughout the year. Average temperature also, temperatures increase towards the south. In winter, the temperatures are dropped to 40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions of Himalayas. I have told you that there is average temperatures are higher throughout the year. To the south of India, temperature increases. In winters, the temperatures drop to 40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions of Himalayas. Increase in temperature towards the south. It drops to 40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions of Himalayas. J and K and Himalayas parts 40 degrees Celsius. Now there is diversity in the climatic conditions of India are due to the latitudinal location and altitude of the place. Why there is diversity? Why there is vividness in climatic conditions? Why? The climatic conditions change quite often. The climatic conditions change quite often because of latitudinal location and altitude of the place. Diversity in climatic conditions. Why there is Diversity. There is diversity in climatic conditions because of the latitudinal location. Altitude of the place. The Indian Ocean and the Himalayan ranges exert a great influence on the climate of India and the origin of monsoons. The Indian Ocean and the Himalayan mountain ranges put up a great influence on the climate of India and the origin of monsoons. There is great influence of the Indian Ocean and the Himalayan ranges on the climate of India and the birthplace and the beginning of monsoons. So, while learning about the climatic conditions of India, we witness that there is monsoon type of climate in India. Temperature is average. In south, the temperature is increased, whereas in Jammu and Kashmir, parts of the mountainous regions of Himalayas, the temperature goes below 40 degrees Celsius in winter. There is diversity in climate because of latitudinal locations and altitudes of the place. The remaining part of the lesson would be taken in the next period. Read the lesson, listen to the video. Thank you. Have a good time.